Yeah. Cuffed since cuffed since 2014. Yeah. Do you know what today is?
Right. What today is?
It's our anniversary.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
It's our anniversary. Our anniversary.
Horniversary. Or horny Stop
That's
it.
why you married me.
Well, that was a part of the reason, you know.
Cufflinks fam.
What's up?
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. And it's on our anniversary.
It's on our anniversary.
So we've been married for how long now?
100 years.
Been together for a while
That's
now.
what it feels like sometimes.
Growing stronger every day now. Yeah, because, you know, a 100-year-old woman is sort of miserable. So it does feel like that sometimes.
Jesus, yeah, that's why it jabbed. That's why it jabbed.
Why? But marriage can be like that though. Ups and downs, sliding forward and sliding backward. Some sliding go on sometimes.
Up and down and...
Yeah, but we are...
Don't let the saints come for us.
We are just happy to be alive.
And happy to be together.
And happy to be facing this life together. It's not easy.
It's not an easy road. The road I who feels the note.
But you know, artists, you don't want a new album? You don't want to see an album from the Cuffs? Yeah.
I have a picture album at home, you know. Ready and waiting.
The camera slider.
Guys, we are filming on our camera. That's on the dashboard.
The light is on orange, sir. What are you blowing me for?
Come over the top. Come over the top. If you want to go through, come over the top.
The light is on orange. Turn ready. He might blow me for go through.
And him not supposed to go through after you, you know, even
exactly.
if you went
If
through.
me go through, him couldn't go through. He might have paid the ticket for me. So we're just happy. We're just happy. We're gonna be doing bits and pieces of our journey today, and we're gonna be taking you along
For the journey.
So pass always. Alright. Soon come back. You remember where we were for our first anniversary?
Yes.
Question, hold on.
No. Alright. We're gonna
hold
each
on,
ask
hold
each
on,
other
hold on,
questions.
hold on.
Okay.
When we celebrated we've been married for 9 years, but we've had 8 anniversaries.
No, babe. We
Both
had
have
9
9
anniversaries. 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
20, what is the first one?
2015 would be the first anniversary.
So technically,
So we've been
10. Yeah, that's what we can't work out. Like,
no, it's not 10 because you have to count the year. So from 2014 to 2015 is one. From 2015 to 2016 is one. You can't count 2014. We never started.
Yeah, we did.
No, babe.
We did. That's when
no,
we started.
it would not be an anniversary. It would not have been. A year wouldn't have lapsed.
Alright. So I know maths are my strong suit, you know. Alright, so where were we on the first anniversary?
We are at Rio. I remember clearly Rio in Ochiris before they had before
the
they
renovations,
revamped. Yeah. I remember clearly because we got a not so good news on that day. Remember?
It's like almost every anniversary there's something. Not every, but there are several anniversaries. There are several key moments in our lives, birthdays,
Not
etc.
anniversaries.
Where
was
we
the
got the
only
badly
one.
was on.
No,
This year.
that's the only one. Yeah, this year, but that was just one out of the 9.
Alright, second year.
Second year, we went to a restaurant at Marketplace because I was heavily pregnant. So we decided not to do anything. Watch him. He don't remember. Hey, he don't remember now.
Remember, man.
Where you stay, remember?
I mean-
It does not remember.
I remember.
Let's go. Third year. Where were we?
I remember the first
No,
year, I
okay.
remember the
Third
second
year. Where were we?
When you tell me, remember.
Third year. Where were we?
When you tell me, I will remember. Sure. Where were we? Where were we?
You tell me.
You tell me.
Okay, third year we stayed at a little motel, not a motel, in Ocherius near Mystic Mountains, and then met up with Brent and Daddy them in Ochi. We go stay over.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Yeah. See, until I'll remember when you tell me.
Fourth year.
Tell me and I'll tell you.
Fourth year would be what year?
Fourth year would be Bella's birth year. Bella was
What?
born in that year.
Bella was born in the second year, babe, in the third year. Second going third year.
No.
Yes.
Babe, just tell me, man.
Fourth year is which year? You have to tell me by the year.
2018. That sounds like I just run the road here and that's so long away.
That's so long ago.
Wow. 2018.
2018 we were at, I think, Grand Palais? No. Right, memory I get sketchy, I know. Okay, I remember the first 3. You remember the
2019.
rest. When was 2019? COVID is already.
No. COVID was the year after that.
We went to Grand Palladium on year 4. Year 5, I think we just went out.
Guys, I don't remember where we went or what we did, but I remember who I spent it with.
You better remember who you spend it with, the guy that Wales.
Alright, go on. So, one of the things that I am grateful for 9 years is, people would say, I remember persons who said, young love, wait man, give them time. The honeymoon phase is just for a year. And I tell people that the honeymoon phase, it evolves. It may not look the same. It may not be the butterflies and the quote-unquote perfection that you think it is. But the honey can stay in the moon. And you have different type of honey. You have some buy honey and some rich, dark-looking honey. And they have some that are clearer, but it's still sweet. It just looks different.
And some we have to add little sugar.
But it's still honey.
But it's still
You gotta
honey.
add a little sugar. If you gotta add a little sugar and some
Add that
spice,
sugar.
add that sugar.
Yeah.
So we've been driving almost all morning. So it's like a drive up and down. And it says a lot about your relationship when you can just have fun together doing normal things.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
in years past, when you were younger, anniversary day just had to be
Doing nothing.
but
Yeah.
together time.
But we're grown. We're adults.
We're grown.
We're parents.
We're grown.
We gotta spend time to do what we gotta
We have
do.
to go to school, go pay the school fee.
Come on.
We have to go pick up uniforms.
Come on.
We had to go do this, we had to go do that. And it doesn't feel like, it's
Taking
intruding
away
on
from-
our day.
yeah.
Because we're together. So that's the most important thing.
Yeah, so it may not look the same way, and it may mean doing mundane things, but it's important that you do it together.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
That's how I know we're getting old. Together.
We, as in the union.
The union is getting
we ain't getting
old.
old. We ain't getting old.
That's right.
About
Because
2 people saw me since week. Well, not even 2. At the 2 weddings that I went to, different people come and say, me look like my age back way. Then say me just trim and beard, So, boy gotta keep the haircut low. Yeah. Bria wants me to cut off everything the next time I trim. Let's see how that goes.
yeah.
I look young. Awesome. I lose a little beard.
I don't have to try.
custom just say radam.
No, don't move it. Don't move it. Okay, guys. So I just went to get us 2 cups of coffee.
Coffee for the road.
And I have something.
Coffee, there you go. Coffee could be like a, body get, coffee.
I have a gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
Open it.
Boss. Oh, yeah. 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 Cuffed since 2014. Yeah. Outside. And she get the cuffed one.
No, both of them are the same.
Which one I mean?
Anyone you choose.
Oh, matter. Boss, take some picture. Thank you.
And thank you so much to Beatties.
I know say I must something why she want to come here before we go up on the road. You know? Big ups to Beatties.
Thank you. Follow them on Instagram. They do personalized t-shirts and sweaters and
I don't know how many of you may have seen the article where we did we spoke about matching pajamas. And one of the things that I mentioned was that where we are, it's cold. This morning was 17 degrees. So yeah, we're gonna wear these sweaters.
Yes,
we're gonna rock these sweaters because it's cold where we are.
Yeah.
And of course when we travel again we'll have them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love it, babe, love it. Don't have to do nothing else, man. I'm going back now. No, so I'm going back now. Get present. Home in time. So we just
We look
stopped
nice
somewhere.
now, Kerry.
When we stop 2 places. Second place may I go. And the first thing he lady look at me. Brian Cuff? Oh, I know your wife. And then them look at them see her and them like, oh. So it's like, and then the next place now, Brian Cuff? May I go to a restaurant? You Brian Cuff? So where's Basilia?
That's right. So if he was ever in here with anybody else.
So, ladies, now look out for her though.
That's right.
It's alright. If me did ever want bad, I couldn't bad. Because I will know everywhere. Let me speak properly. If I was ever bad, all of you all around looking out for her would let her know that I was on a date with somebody else, not true? And then we'll go up on IG and look for story.
Nice.
Aye.
How can I put into words how I feel? My life was so deep, I thought I was whole. Why do I feel like I'm losing control? Never thought I'd love to feel like this. When you change my world with just one kiss. First of all, you never know the family. You're right here with me. You're an angel, and a miracle. Your love is like a river, keep flowing deep. Your soul is like a secret that I never could keep. When I get to your eyes, I know that it's true. God is the stars, a little more time with you. More time. You're the creation of things great and small. You are the one that surpasses them all. You're the supreme, any diamond a pearl. And I'm the moon when you live in this world. Never thought I'd love to feel like this. Baby, now. You're one of a kind, isn't it wrong? You're a miracle. Your love is like a river, peaceful and deep. Your soul is like a secret that I never could keep. When I get to you, I know that it's true. I promise to stay a little more time with you. Never love to feel like this.
So I just got our pictures, our Christmas / anniversary / birthday / New Year's pictures, and I'm downloading them now. Wife don't see them yet. Sometimes download them before she come back in the car so I can show you her live reaction. Alright. Let's hope the data holds up. Let's go. Come on. edits. Oh man, she coming. Alright, she don't know so we're recording. Let's hope the pictures will be ready. By the time she gets in, can show her even one of them. Oh, look at that. That was a nice little shot. Let's do that again.
What?
That's the goodness of God.
Yato! Glory.
Light tongues. Alright guys, I'll show her the picture. That's a live reaction.
Oh my God!
You wanna see it?
Wow. What my purse?
Alright, so go on IG
We
to
can,
see it,
we
right?
can collab that.
Alright. One of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to shoot snippets of our video. Or snippets for our video. And we're going to make a music video. From Tony and Sing and Popcorn.
Okay.
Alright, so we've been together for 9 years. Let's do...
No, we've been together for 12 years.
We've been married for 9 years.
Right.
We've been married. That's what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
So here's the truth about our marriage in different ways. One song that you'd use to describe our marriage.
One song. Looks like we made it. Look how far
One
we've come.
word. Our marriage in a word.
Perseverance.
Our marriage in the name of a show.
Titanic. Joke.
Titanic did sink in us, so nobody.
No.
Oh.
But people survived. That's what I meant.
Not Jack and Rose.
Rose survived.
Right.
I scratched that. 'Cause that's not what I was thinking of. Or marriage in a movie, is it?
Title of a movie.
Title of a movie? No, that wouldn't be us.
Tell people them make why I think make them laugh too.
50 Shades of Us. I'm joking. Flash.
Why?
I'm so the years end just fly past.
Okay.
That's not even a movie.
No, that's a
Law and
series.
Order.
That's a series.
Guys, I specialize in series, not movies. Let me think of another movie. I'd say The Notebook, but that really, no. The storyline is not us.
Well, it's a Flash. You work with Flash. The name of give me an animal that our marriage would resemble.
Eagle.
Not a jungle.
Not a jungle.
Which fruit do you like most too?
Strawberry. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Delicacy.
Yes, and erotic.
Which it's not a sponsored video, guys. Which fast food restaurant would we be like?
KFC.
Yeah, I thought you'd say Chick-fil-A. When you go Chick-fil-A, you always want more, guys. No matter where you are, it leaves you
I say
wanting more and more
KFC
and more.
because they are consistent. They have weathered a lot of storms and they still come out at number one.
And they've been with us.
And they've been with us a long time.
One more.
Which car?
Lada.
Tesla. Move.
Oh, you see the new Lada them?
No.
Lada have some crazy new car. Look better than Tesla. You can't see that.
Listen, after that article I saw about Tesla, we're going to need a Tesla over here. Tough bod.
And sometimes on autopilot because God tried.
Yeah, so.
Don't so light, yeah, man. How this day? If I go on store and say I can pick up 2 items,
the 2 items turn to
Don't
many
believe
items.
It. Don't believe it. It's a trick. What you do
They're
is you
trying
wait
to
until
trick
you have to buy the
you.
10 things or the 20 things, and then you go shop versus go pick up 2 because you're going to end up buy the 10 things. And they be like, I just spend something so 10 grand, you know?
Yep.
Jamaican dollars. That's like less than 100 US dollars. But it's crazy out here. Pick up 3-4 items and 4 baby items.
Literally.
Literally $10,000.
Yeah. Well, we bless God.
Yeah, that we had it to spend it.
Yeah.
And we know that God will send more. Where that came from? That is merches. So we can't turn now because of us.
Me.
Jamaica going with things, you know? Popeyes. Right here, and look what's coming soon. Krispy Kreme. No, Jamaica,
What?
they're not going but at
What?
all.
Krispy Kreme is coming?
Yeah,
What?
nice.
That's a famous donut place of F.I.R.E, you know?
Nice.
You've ever heard of it?
Yeah. But,
YouTubers always talking about
I
Krispy
mean,
Kreme.
favor here, but go on through jam down. Third world with first world lifestyle.
Of course, why not?
Whoa, G. Outside.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.